Yes, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on. It's huge, it's huge, it's huge. It is huge. During the lockdown because of COVID-19, I have found this pond on social media. By looking at the image posted by the owner, it looks like they have some serious sized fish. Recently, the confirmed case has become less and less, and because of that, our government is allowed fishermen to go fishing again. So I decided to check it out myself and try my luck to catch any monster here. Okay. First cast of the day. Because I'm not getting any bite at the moment, I decided to set up my bottom rod. I am using sardine fish as my bait. I cut it in half and cast it into the water. While waiting for the fish, I'm still doing casting with my other setup and hope I will catch a fish with my lures. Now that is something. Yes, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on. Yes, yes, yes. Whoa, it's running. It's huge, it's huge, it's huge. It is huge. See what it is. It's tired. It's just only the first fish of the day and I already feel tired. And what it is, whatever it is, it's definitely big. My guess is red tail catfish. Oh, damn it. I feel something. It's like having a pop or something. Maybe the hook is not holding much more longer. I guess I just go there. Nat, you come with me. Going in there. You are not going in there. Alright, I see the leader. Yes, it's a red tail. It's a big one. It's a big one. Apparently it looks like it's swallowing the hook. Now the trickier part is I need to pull it out of the water, but I don't know where I should grab it. Let's do not try this. Maybe I grab it at the tail. Got it. I got it. Oh, it's a cricket. It's a cricket. Oh shit. So damn heavy. Just grab it again. Oh, we got it, guys. We got it. There is a one fat red-tailed catfish. Alright guys, this is an Amazon red-tailed catfish. You can see the red tail on this fish and it's originally from Amazon, so now you know how it got its name. This fish is strong and can grow into massive size. It's definitely one of my favorite game fish of all time, and now I'm going to release it. After that red tail, I had requested to go to the house and my request had been granted. This pond house is lived by an old man who is in charge of this pond. It has a platform for fishermen to fishing and it is a fish farm at the same time. Also, this old man had taught me some technique of using bread as bait. And guess what?
Patin, yeah.
Pakai gambar sama dia?
Ya, ada tengah buka.
Tin.
Lagi ya.
Ya.
Ini saya tidak besar, kalau besarnya kuat.
Ya, tapi ini pun lali juga.
Dia mah kalau mau main syok juga patin.
Ah, patin.
Dia pun lari juga.
Okay, thank you. Wah, ini pun untuk saya pun besar.
Ini macam saya banyak lah macam.
Ini
kalau lagi besarnya, ini tangguh pun lagi saya.
Oh ya.
Boleh.
Alright guys, this is
Pegang dia, mulut pegang macam.
Oh, okay, thank you. This looks good.
Kuatnya dia lagi lawan.
Yeah, sangat kuat dia.
Memang.
Okay, so guys, this I'm not sure you guys can see or not. This is patin. Something looks like Mekong catfish, but it is not a Mekong catfish, but it's like the relative of Mekong, and its body is very slimy, so I cannot hold it any longer, so I'm going to release it as soon as possible. Okay. Ada, kena. Tak apa, saya sendiri boleh. Ini kecil saja. Ini boleh. Tilapia. Ya, betul. In this part, you can see I hook up a fish and it is massive. But I have another task. I need to go to that platform because I will be easier to land that fish. And the only way to that platform is...
Ikut jalan sana.
I have been told this pond is more than 10 feet deep from where I'm standing. I have to walk there while fighting with this monster. And also I have to keep my balance to not fall into the water.
Ikut sini jalan. Ya.
Boleh sampai, boleh lah.
Boleh ya? Boleh. Sikit.
Okey. Boleh. Thank you. Okey, boleh. besar. Oh, dia tak naik oh. Dia tak naik. Oh. Mungkin reptil ke? Mungkin lah, tak nampak lagi. Sebab dia tak gerak banyak pun. Alamak, sangkut. Sangkut lah. Oh, sangkut. Ah, tak. Suar keluar. Suar keluar. Ah, suar keluar. Okey, saya perlahan. Okey, dia sangat koyang. Saya takut.
Ke bawah.
Wah, beratnya. This is my biggest red-tail catfish ever. So far, I guess this is more than 20 kg. And yeah, my previous record is just 20 kg, and this is definitely bigger than that. And you can see the belly. It's very thick, very fat. This fish is my best personal record in red-tail catfish ever. Now I'm going to release it. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, here you go. Okay, thank you bang.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like or maybe share. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for watching my latest content. Leave your comment down below if you want to share something. And I will see you guys at the next video.